This haul has been supplemented with Bonzachicken chelated mineral supplements, whereas the previous haul has not. The Bonzachicken group has experienced positive results such as more agility of chickens, better growth of bird size, weight gaining, and also better feather growth. Generally, their condition got better. Even their water consumption has increased. Every time we enter the hall, the chickens are energetic and happy. I do not know how exactly I can describe this agility. Let's weight some of these broiler chickens and compare the ones that have and haven't been supplemented with Bonzachicken. These 10 chickens have been used Bonzachicken for 33 days. As you can see, the total weight of this group is 21.80 kilogram. And now let's move to the next group. We have not supplemented these chickens by Bonzachicken, and the total weight is 19 kilogram. So the Bonzachicken group reached 2.8 kilogram more weight than the other group, which means the Bonzachicken caused an average weight increase of 280 gram for each bird.